Gondor oil refining equipment. Storing salt water and alkaline water. Salt water and alkaline water tank. Automated operation, easy to use. Heat the brine and oil and stir. Separation of impurities by precipitation filtration. Made of stainless steel. Remove fatty acids and reduce oleic acid value. Physical adsorption decolorization using vacuum tank. Equipped with gas liquid separator. Remove odors with hot steam. The refined oil is of high quality. Applicable products. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation precision.